Hello and welcome to a tutorial how to make a very good paper aeroplane. To this video I'm going to show you how good it flies and how well it does. So let's get into this. This is how well it does. So this is the tutorial how to make a paper aeroplane that flies far. So let's get into this. First you need to fold it. It has to be perfect on each side. And you flip it over and then fold it again on the other side. This makes it easier to make the paper aeroplane. So you need the sharp bit. You put this towards at the middle of the sharp bit, and then you want it the same on the other side. This could get tricky for you. You need to do this. Try and make it the same on the other side. You fold it like this. And then you do this, you need to fold it so this bit touches the bottom. And then you need to do it on the other side too. You put the aerodynamics, and this makes it fly further. And there we go, you have your own paper aeroplane that flies far.